All right, my wonderful people, I greet you all once again and I welcome you to Onos Gordon's YouTube channel with another wonderful and interesting message that I want us to discuss in detail. All right, uh, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, put on your notification bell, and if you find this video very much interesting, also like the video and share the video and drop your comment down below for us to know how to serve you better. So we have a very serious matter here, and that is what I wanted to discuss, and it's about how to keep snakes away from your home. How to keep snakes away from your home. Snake, S-N-A-K-E. Because there's an issue that is trending now. Snake in the toilet, snakes in the sockaway, snakes biting people, snake chasing people out of their home, even in luxurious home, beautiful home and beautiful toilet, snakes is still entering and is still biting. But I've come with a very short video that will help us educate us on how to keep these snakes away from our home. Some persons used to say, oh, it's a spiritual thing, it's not possible. How can snake enter a house from and bite somebody? It's a spiritual thing. Nobody's against things like that, but it is also possible that it could not be a spiritual thing. It could be possible that physically and directly snake can as well gain access into the homes of some persons. Because recently we all saw on social media a woman of the Nigeria Air Force that snake beat her to death. And also after that, shortly after that, a Nollywood actor in Nigeria, same thing happened, and so many other cases like that. But we have some precaution that we can take to keep these snakes away from our home. Please pay attention and be patient enough to watch this video till the end. Now listen, snake comes to our home for two major reasons, two major purposes. One purpose is for food. Second is for temperature regulation. Because sometimes when their body is cold, they will want to get warm. When their body is the environment they are is too hot or cold, they will want to move from one place to another to regulate the temperature of their body. Then the other one, which is the first one I mentioned, was food. They come to look for food. How do they come to look for food? Maybe, okay, let me just go with the points one after the other so that we understand what that number one is talking about. Because that number one is the major area that will actually help us to eliminate snakes from our home. Number one way to chase a snake, to keep snakes from our home, is to eliminate snake food resources. All snakes food resources, you eliminate them, you put them aside. You eliminate them like rats, like lizard, like wall gecko, all reptiles, rodents, all those small animals that move around your homes. They are food to snakes. When you eliminate them, snakes will be far away from your home, because snake in a bid to look for food, they will, and those things around your house, they will, through those things, they will gain access to your home. And if they can't get anyone at the moment, the snakes can decide to stay, look for a place to hide and be watching until they get those rats. If your sockaway is there, they can hide there first, and through that sockaway they gain access to the washroom, to the bathroom. Then any bush around there, they can hide there first. So if you can keep those snakes food resources out of the house, snakes will be far away from your home. Then install sieve along the sewer. You know, something like filter, you install it along the sewer in the sockaway so that snake cannot gain access into the toilet. And also, snakes prevention board, there's what we call snake prevention boards. That snake prevention board can as well help to stop snakes from gaining access into your home. If you can get that and install it, it will help a lot. Then use of household items like caustic soda or sniper or engine oil, or sulfur powder, or kerosene mixed with water. These are household items that can also help to keep snakes away from the house. When you mix water with kerosene, the odor of these things, snakes does not like it. The odor that will, and the scent that will come from these things that I just mentioned, they irritate the snakes. Snakes does not like the scent or the odor, rather. Then, number 5, carry out a routine check around your home and immediate environment for holes. Snakes like to hide in small holes around. So try as much as possible to carry out a routine check from time to time around your home and your immediate environment. If there are any holes, maybe dug by a rat or lizard or so, cover them, because snakes can go there and hide, awaiting rat or rabbit or lizard or any other rodent or reptiles that will come around. And if it happens that as they are waiting for the rat or lizard, it happens that somebody went in there and stepped on them, or somebody comes around, they can as well beat that person unknowingly. So check and make sure you cover such holes around your home. Then, apart from that, there is a natural remedy to keep snakes away from your home totally, even without you doing everyday routine check and buying this and buying that again. There is a natural remedy to chase snake totally, and this remedy is that you plant or you grow snakes repellent plant. Snakes repellent plant. There are plants that their odor, their scent irritates snakes. When you plant those plants, you grow them around your home. As they are there on daily, continuously, any snake that comes around, by the time the snake perceives the odor that comes from the plant, they will run away. They cannot even stay in such environment. They will go far from such place, because the scent of the leaf of the plant is already all over the environment. Plants like maybe lemongrass, tobacco plant, mother-in-law plant. That mother-in-law plant is also known as snake's plant. And scent leaf, even scent leaf too, can as well help. The scent that comes out from scent leaf can as well help to chase away snakes from your environment, because snakes dislike the odor or the scent of all these plants that I've just mentioned to you. You understand? So these are natural remedies that can help you keep snakes from your home, so that we will not hear snake bite this person, snake bite this person, snake kill this one, snake kill that one. In your own home, it's not as if you went to the bush and it happens in the bush, or you went to the forest and it happens in the forest. That could be understood that is the bush. But for the snake to be coming to the house to be biting somebody and be killing people in the house, it can be prevented. And these are the way through which snakes can be prevented and can be kept away from our home. Thank you and God bless you. And I'm wishing and hoping to see you in my next video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my video, and put on your notification bell. And I'm wishing and I'm promising you more wonderful contents. Bye.